Shorthand dictation start. Mr. Speaker Sir, I am really grateful to the members who participated in the debate. The discussion on the demand of the ministry took place for more than 8 hours. During the debate, very important issues were raised and suggestions were made. Though the debate was serious, it was to some extent delightful too. The issues were raised and the suggestions were made many, and as many as members spoke. Suggestions were made by some members regarding the nationalization of rivers, the subject of water to be kept in the current list of the development, the formation of a national water grid, and criteria for deciding whether a river basin is a surplus or a deficit basin. Some honorable members suggested that there should be a ban for 5 years in the major and medium irrigation projects, and only the potential that has been created should be utilized, and all efforts should be made in that direction. There were many other things which the honorable members referred to in regard to their towns. Mostly they referred to the general issues. They pertained only to the religion issues and particularly to the issues relating to their areas. If we took the overall picture painted by various members in their local areas, a national picture emerges. Members have criticized the delay, clearance, and stating of the projects, and also about funding in certain aspects. Members demanded that criterion project should be treated as a national projects. There all are also allegations made by some members about the corruption at the final stage by the engineers in certain projects. Grave reference were made to the lag in the potential created and the potential utilized with huge investments and managements. There were reference with regard to floods and droughts and their management, the money spent by way of relief and safety measures, water logging by and misuse of water and excess use of water. They suggested certain steps with regard to the forest area development and lapses and gains. Some friends also referred to the water rates and their recovery by the states, but amongst the serious issues that were raised on one was for resolving of the pending disputes. Thank you.